Up till now, we completed two most important parts. First one is getting applied for a partnership program and configure with your WHMCS. And second, product configuration so user can able to purchase. Now the third part is how your users will purchase it. How you can able to deliver to your users. What format you can able to use to delivery. So this is the third part. And in the fourth part, we will guide you if your customer need customizations. You wanted to upgrade your reseller levels. How to connect with your growth partner. That is your personal representative that helps you to grow your business and helps you to manage versus unmanaged VPS. So all of that we will cover in the fourth part. Let's move how your customers will purchase a product from your website. Very first, you can see that this is my WHMCS. You can design this one and create a landing page based on your product. In the previous example, we have configured USA EX4, which we given a name Iron 4. Here I am considering you already knows landing page creation. So how client will place an order? Very first, he will go here, click on order now. Make sure that this page is important. Here, user has to input 4 things. First one, server name. Server name should be in this format only. Means name should have at least 2 dots. Example. You can see that in our platform, it's by default added this information. User has to just put password. No need to enter NS1 and NS2. Here, user has to enter 4 things. First one is hostname. Second one is root password. Third one is NS1 and NS2. So these 4 informations are the format of your WHMCS that we can't able to modify. So in the first section, user has to enter the domain name, which has at least 2 dots, or some latest WHMCS are supporting with this format as well. But if you are with an older version, then you should enter at least subdomain based hostname. Enter a password. Here simply enter NS1 and NS2. Choose your operating system. Let's say I want a Linux. Alma Linux A9. So I picked all the information which is required and click on continue. So this way we have added our product into the cart. Next, checkout. Registration complete. Select your payment gateway and complete your registration. Now in our dashboard, we can able to see the one order has been received. I will click on pending orders. And here I can able to see that the customers has already paid. As a business owner, first verified from your side is all the information that user has put is genuine and he is a customer and he paid the information. If so, then we can able to process further for the delivery. In the next video, we will in depth understand how we can able to deliver a product to the customer and what processes we need to understand here. Next video is very important. Do not skip that video.